Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can print header rows on Google Sheets. So if I just printed this one, so if I just go to print here, and if I scroll down, the title won't still be at the top of the rows. So to do that, I'm just going to select cancel, scroll up, select these, and then actually, you're just going to drag this bit right here and place it down there to create the header row. It is easier than freezing it. There's another way to do that, which is, it was somewhere in the freezing. I don't know where it is, to be honest. I think it's here. It said to freeze the row, but it is easier to just simply do the line. Oh, it's view more row actions, freeze up to row 1, and then it does basically the same thing. And if you just went to print it, the title will still be there even though you've scrolled down a lot. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.